had some plastic on it that I just removed. So this is it, guys. You can hold one card in the front pocket that you most frequently use. Then you open this up, got a nice orange leather insert on this side and on this side. The back is black on both sides, and then inside is orange. Nice touch, in my opinion. It looks kind of classy, or May style look. And it's got this money clip in here in case you run out of card space and you have some cash or some other document, sorry, not documents, some other ID or some other currency in the form of paper or whatever. You can just stick that in here. So, and it still gets protected. But I mean, to ensure maximum protection, you need to make sure your sensitive cards are in one of these pockets. So there's 3 here and 3 on this side, and the one you can keep on the outside, the one you use the most. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm putting my faith into this right now, and hopefully I won't be a victim of credit card fraud anymore, given that thieves these days and hackers these days have just got so much smarter with those remote NFC technologies. So it's best that we arm ourselves against them using these things. Okay, so I'm gonna post a link in the description below to how to purchase this, and I will be coming up with a review later on as a long-term review whether this actually helped me or not. So I'm gonna keep my credit cards in here and go about my usual business. If in the next 3-4 months none of them get lifted or hacked, then I guess it was a worthwhile purchase. What else is in there? Nothing much. It's just a guarantee card that probably was in there asking us to review it, and there's this card that tells you they have a Facebook page and they've designed it for travelers, who we are, and blah blah blah. Their mission is to make traveling easier and secure. Well, that's all big words, but let's see if it actually holds up. So we're gonna see if it's worth the money. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Stay safe.